Hi, this is Joachim for statisticsglobe.com, and in this video I will show you how to print a new line to the RStudio console in the R programming language. So in this video I'm going to show you two examples, and both of these examples are based on the character string that we can create with line 2 of the code. So if you run this line of code, you will see that a new data object appears at the top right of RStudio, which is called X. And we can also print this data object to the RStudio console by running line 3 of the code. And then you will see that our character string is returned in a single line, even though we have specified a separator /n in the middle of our character string. Now, if we want to print this character string in multiple lines, then we can apply the writeLines function, as you can see in line 7 of the code. So within the writeLines function, we simply need to specify the name of our character string. So in this case, our character string is called X. And if you run this line of code, you will see that at the bottom in the RStudio console, our character string is returned in 2 lines, whereby the lines are separated by our own specification. So this is basically how to print a character string in multiple lines in the R programming language. However, I want to show you a second alternative, which is as simple as the first example, and this second alternative is based on the cat function. And as you can see in line 11 of the code, within the cat function we also only need to specify the name of our character string, and if you run this line of code, the same output returns at the bottom in the RStudio console. Yeah, so if you use the writeLines function or the cat function is a matter of taste, in case you want to print a new line to the RStudio console. Yeah, that's basically what I wanted to show you in this video. However, if you want to learn more on this topic, you could check out my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on the homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail, and I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video. Furthermore, I will put the R programming code of this video into the description of the video, so you could copy it from there. And if you have liked the video, I would be very happy if you leave me some positive feedback in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to get notifications in future when I'm releasing new videos to the YouTube channel. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Bye bye.